have more updates coming in. That new twist to the Aryan Khan case. What we're learning from our sources within the NCP is that they have dismissed all the charges that have been leveled against them by the BJP. Sources within the NCP have told CNN News 18 that the person referred to by BJP leader Mohit Bhartiya in his press conference as Sunil Patil is actually known as Sunil Chaudhary Patil. He hails from Dhule and is closely associated to a BJP leader in Maharashtra who previously was a minister. NCP sources are also telling us that they will put out all the required evidences very soon. Herman Goens continues to join us live on this. Herman, it seems that this new allegation, this new name that has cropped up is simply now turning into a war of words between two primary parties in the state of Maharashtra.
Absolutely, Edwin. But what I can tell you at this point in time is that, as far as Sunil Patil is concerned, he is someone who is known both to the BJP as well as the ruling NCP. Today, Mohit Bhartiya of the Bharatiya Janata Party took that press conference and he said that, that there were these allegations against him about Sunil Chaudhary Patil, who I'm also told is ready to surrender before the Mumbai police, was very close to the NCP. I spoke to some leaders of the NCP. They say, yes, probably he was known to a certain ex-leader, former leader of the NCP, who currently today is a ruling BJP MLA, and therefore the BJP cannot wash their hands. And what I can give you an update is that here, as you can see behind me, this is at the NCB's office. The DDG of the operations, Mr. Sanjay Singh, is there, who was inside the zonal office.
Okay.
They have clearly backed their officer to the hill today here, as you can see on your screens. Sir, is the assistance going to be taken? Mr. Samir Wankade, will you continue to assist? Will you continue assisting?
Wait.
Mr. Wankade,
Your one reaction.
Will you continue assisting? Just one question.
I'm assisting.
And there, as you can see, Edwin, Mr. Samir Wankade, smiling there, confident, and accompanying the DDG operation, Mr. Sanjay Singh. Both of them have left in the same car. We do know that he is going to look into the 6 cases that are handed over. I specifically asked him the question, will he continue assisting? He just nodded and continues to be smiling, even as the allegations continue to fly from both sides, whether it is the NCB or the ruling NCP.
Herman, just here on the line with us, we're also being joined on the phone line by Vinaya Deshpande. Vinaya, a few days ago when Nawab Malik was holding a press conference, he said that he is going to make some big revelations on Sunday, and now NCP sources are telling us that they will be putting out some evidence very soon related to this individual who is known as Sunil Chaudhary Patil. Could you give us an idea about what exactly is now going on within the NCP camp? What are they playing at?
Well, Edwin, we've seen that this person, Sunil Patil, is somebody that has evoked interest from both the BJP as well as the NCP. So tomorrow, we are being told that Nawab Malik will possibly show grabs of CCTV footage as well, allegedly claiming linkages between some of the top leaders of the BJP and possibly Sunil Patil and some other middlemen as well. Now, why is this important? Because just today we have seen that the BJP has leveled allegations not just with respect to Sunil Patil and his close association with alleged NCP ministers as well, but also there is allegation about how Dawood Ibrahim, his henchmen, have been close to alleged, leaders of the NCP as well as the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi. And this entire revelation or allegations that have been leveled by Mohit Bhartiya today has in some sense opened a can of worms. Now, though the NCP claims that Sunil Patil is somebody who's not just associated or may have been associated with the NCP for over 15 to 20 years, but is likely to be associated with the BJP leaders as well. The fact that Sunil Patil, somebody who hails from Dhule, has been a middleman or a liaison is something that both the parties have claimed till now, allegedly, to accuse each other. Tomorrow we are expected to see more revelations, but what's interesting is even today Mohit Bhartiya talked of Hotel Lalit and how Sunil Patil had allegedly met with Nawab Malik in the Lalit, which is a high-end hotel in Mumbai. for several times he has claimed. Now, tomorrow as well, Nawab Malik is going to talk about some meetings that allegedly took place in the Lalit again. So this whole controversy surrounding one hotel in which several meetings allegedly took place of middlemen or liaisoners with some of the BJP or NCP leaders is something that will continue for the next few days at
Right.
least.
Vinay Deshpande and Herman Gomes, thanks a lot for getting us those updates. Now from the